need a degree or a certification to get an online job? My name is Clementine Afana, but you can call me Dr. Clem, and I teach people like you how to find an online job, monetize your skills, grow your income, and achieve your dreams. The reason I do this is because I strongly believe that your dreams are valuable and they are worth it. Unfortunately, one of the reasons or the challenges that we have in pursuing our dreams is not being able to afford them or not being able to invest in them. By working online, you are opening up the avenues for yourself to earn more, to make more money, and therefore to invest in your dreams. In this video, I will show you, or I will answer the question, which is to know whether or not you need a degree or a certificate for you to be able to land an online job. Before I answer these questions, I'm going to make a disclaimer. We live in a society where, we believe that the degrees that we have correlate to our knowledge or actually our intellect. And we believe that the people with the most degrees, should have the highest paying jobs or should have the most opportunities. We also live in a society where if you have a degree, you are more likely to get career advancement because it shows that you technically have the technical knowledge that is required for a certain job, whichever one you are applying for. Now, while all these are realities of the society in which we live, it's important to pay attention to the fact that they might not always be the reality that apply within the online work marketplace. In my experience, having worked online and having coached people like you on how they can use their skills, monetize them to work online, I have realized that having a degree is not a condition for you to make money online. Having a degree is not a condition for you to get a high-paying job online. Having a degree is not a condition for you to be employed by a client either on a full-time or part-time basis. What online clients really look for is experience and the ability to deliver. So even if you don't have a degree, as long as you can show that you have experience in that field and as long as you can show that you can deliver, you are going to get your chance, you are going to get your shot. I know that here in the Caribbean and even in Africa, we've been in situations where you work at a job for, let's say you started a job when you finish college, right? Or when you finish university, you started at that job at the entry level. And as you continue within that company, your responsibilities, your job requirement, your job description change and improve. And then you have now been climbing the ladders within your company. And you've done that because of your experience and your dedication to the company, right? Even though you don't have the degree or the academic qualifications for you to get the higher paying positions, because you've been in that job for a long period of time, and because you have garnered experience, it makes you eligible to get to a higher level. I know people who have been in those situations. I have personally seen people, friends, people within my circle who have been able to get higher paying physical jobs without having a degree because they were climbing the ladders within their companies. So use it as an example to realize that most of the times your experience speaks higher volume than your degree. In fact, there are people who have degrees out there but do not have the experience, who are not able to deliver on a job despite the fact that they have the degree. Because even if you have a degree, even if you have a certificate, nothing is ever going to replace your work experience. Nothing is ever going to replace being in the field and actually doing the job. Nothing is ever going to replace having that experience, and that is a lot more valuable than having a degree. Now, this is not to say that having a degree is not a good thing, or it's not a way to bash degrees or education or certificates. In fact, I believe that if you have a degree in a field, it boosts your chances of landing an online job. It shows a different side of you, and even if the degree that you have is not in the field in which you want to land an online job, you can still craftily use whatever you have learned on that degree or from that degree to land an online job in the field in which you want to land an online job. So all cause is not lost. However, what I'm saying is that even if you don't have a degree, be it a university or college degree, you can still land an online job. So don't use that as an excuse, or don't let that be a mindset block to make you feel like you have no chance. I have personally coached students and clients who did not finish university, who did not finish college, who came into my coaching programs before they could graduate college, who got stuck at university because of, you know, school fees challenges or maybe social issues and so forth. I have had the privilege of coaching many people within the different situations, and I have seen them thrive, and I've seen them making money online, growing their income, and after having earned that money, they were able to go back to school and get their degrees. They were able to invest in more certificates, in more degrees, in more things that will actually help them advance their careers. So the fact that you don't have it now should not be a mental block or should not be a stop for you, because there are people without degrees that are getting online jobs every single day. If you have experience in the field, go for it. If you have worked in that field before, go for it. And even if you haven't, then find ways in which you can get that experience. Now, I teach people how to monetize their skills and how to find clients online who are looking for their skills. I have a signature coaching program called Making Money Online for Beginners, which reopens in April 2022. If you are interested in really knowing how you can monetize your skills online, whether you have a degree or not, if you are dealing with mindset blocks and you feel really like this is not something that is within your reach, or probably you feel like you don't have what it takes, then the coaching program is for you. If you feel like you've tried on your own but you haven't been able to get the results, this coaching program is for you. If you feel like you are really ready to take the steps and to make a change for yourself in 2022 and actually get an online job instead of just wishing and thinking about it, this coaching program is for you. Make sure that you sign up on the wait list of the coaching program. The link is in the description box below. When you click on the link, you're going to see all the details of what we do during the coaching program. Every single thing that we talk about, every single thing that my team and I will actually show you and help you uncover, from identifying your online work skills to showing you how to apply for jobs, to showing you how to identify the right jobs for you for your skills category, to showing you how to pitch to clients, how to market yourself, how to present yourself for interviews, how to avoid scams. So many things are discussed in this group coaching program, and we always have a great deal of success. At the end of the coaching program, you are going to feel transformed, knowing that you now have the ability to earn more online with the skills that you have, knowing that you can go and get your own jobs, knowing that you can go and open the door to your own opportunities, and knowing that you can grow your income as you want. Make sure you sign up on the waiting list of this coaching program. It's only open a few times a year, and there are limited spaces available because we love to work with small groups in order for us to be able to give everybody the attention and the support that they deserve. The link is in the description below, and I hope to see you in the next cohort. Take care and see you in the next video.